So I wanted to give you just a quick little rundown of how to use my website. If you will go to pvraiderenglish.weebly.com, and this should be the home screen that you see when you click enter on that website. To navigate the site, you click this little, I like to call it like a hamburger over here in the top left hand corner, and you'll see a list of the courses that I teach. So what you're wanting to look for is 102 DE dual enrollment, and it should take you to the homepage for English 102. In this, you will locate all of the text that we read over the course of the semester. That way you don't have to purchase the textbook. It's just something that I try to kind of help my high school students out with. So, the important thing for you to be able to locate is the lecture and class activities day by day. I've tried really hard to kind of get this set up for you. So if you click on that tab, it should take you to what I'm calling a kind of a virtual class for English 102. Here I've listed the activities that we're doing daily in the course. So I tried to list an agenda and kind of like a step-by-step of the things that we're going over in class, what to do, which handouts that correspond with which activities. If the button is red, it is a video or a screencast, just like this one. And then if the button is black, it links you to a document. And I'm going to try very hard to send all of these hard copy documents to you through the hand mail as well, so that you'll have them. And so then the homework will be listed at the bottom before the divider that takes you to the next day's assignment. If you have questions, you can email me. You can email me through your JSU email at krlloyd@jsu.edu, or you can email me through my school web email address, kloyd.pv@ccboe.us.